Hello everybody and welcome back to another episode of the Liverpool career mode, and today we're going to get straight into a game, no messing. Going to be a pretty short video, well not a short video, it's going to be like around 20 minutes, but yeah, no, and pretty much we're just going to get pretty much straight into it, to be honest. So yeah, this is the squad we're going for today. We're against Wolves. We're going to do one game today. No, I know next episode, next episode, I think we're against Ajax. That's why I'm resting a few key players. Obviously I'm resting Jota today actually. And yeah, so let's get into this game. So obviously Diaby, I might bring him on as a sub, but Mane, we need to give Mane his playtime, obviously, because his actual skill level is probably better than Diaby's, to be honest. But I mean, for one, Mane hasn't got sharpness at the minute, and for two, I don't know. But I mean, they're both class players. I'm not saying. Yeah, I'm just gonna start talking. But yeah, I'm just gonna give. And we've dropped Jota because we want to rest him. Dropped Fabinho because we want to rest him. Yeah, we want to rest a few players, to be honest, because it's a big game against Ajax. So yeah, that's why we're resting our players. To be honest with you lads, I actually did record this video already, but I noticed the quality was a bit iffy, so I didn't want that to happen. I didn't want that to happen again. So what I did was, I thought, I'll load up a previous save and I'll do it again, because don't want the quality being bad for you guys. Oof. Yeah, no, can I just say something as well? In the game, that first version of the game that I did, Alisson was, oh my god, it was a madness. Like, his rating was like 8.4 from like the first half. I don't know about full time because I didn't check, but oh my god, that is so unlucky. Right, I need to stop talking and actually concentrate. But yeah, basically Alisson was a goal in the first thingy. But come on, I have not kept a clean sheet, which I oh my Nora, and it's 2-0. What a great start for Liverpool. Right, come on. For God's sake. Getting beat 2-0 already. Can't believe it. Come on, nice tackle. Right, Wijnaldum now. Pass to Firmino. Firmino to Wijnaldum again. Wijnaldum dispossessed. Wijnaldum's won it back. Passes to Rafinha. Can Rafinha finish here? Yes, he can! Rafinha can finish 2-1. Come on. We can bring this back, lads. We just had an iffy start. We wasn't really concentrating. But we've got our focus now. And we can really make a comeback here. Robo, get on him. Oh god, that was a terrible attempt for a tackle. Interception from Wijnaldum, was out for a corner. Rafinha, try and pick this up and just use your pace and get down the field. Oh, it's another goal kick actually. No, it's not. Okay, right, come on. That's not good. Oh my god, just clear it. Just clear it. Oh my god, Trent. You've got to be doing better than that. Come on, Wijnaldum. Drive it forward now. That's what you do best. Ah, so unlucky. That would have been 2-0. 2-2 even. Bad from Firmino, bad from me, to be honest. Didn't need that much on it, Van Dijk, it really didn't. Nice from Robertson. Free kick to me, thank God. Oh my Nora, I was just looking for options, I wasn't even looking at Thiago. Oh, it's a, why am I going in for that tackle? It's Kabak back. Nice block though. Really nice block. Good defense. Too far. Come on, lads. You have to stop going in for the slide tackles, Virgil. It's not working. That's what you should do. Decent pass, but man. Good pass on the volley. Oh, that was a wild one. Yep, god awful pass. Ooh, our throw, that's actually good. Come on. Wijnaldum. Nice from Ronaldo. It's an awful pass. Thiago should be coming a little bit more forward, like, but (2-1). Not good enough. I'm not gonna lie, it's not good enough. We're gonna go out there and we're gonna give it our all, and I'm gonna win this game. And I'm telling you now, that's what's gonna happen. Beautiful from Rafinha, but he has really no options here. Oh, but he's kept it though. Like an absolute go. Oh, he's still on it though. To Mane, damn it, man. Thiago. Firmino. Wijnaldum, Henderson, Firmino, Thiago. Oh. Trent, get back. Rafinha. You're gonna have to step up. Good tackle. Rafinha on the ball. Plays the pass through to Firmino. Can Firmino finish? Yes! Let's go! 2-2. We've brought it back. Rafinha, what a player down that wing. I could not ask for a better right winger. I really couldn't. Gotta tell you, I did a lot better than this in the first game, but still, it makes it more realistic, I suppose. Yeah, no, we're not going for a draw. We're going for a win. There's no line. We're just gonna go straight for the win. I can't lie. We want nothing but wins, really. They are really forcing them into their own half here. To the point where they've lost possession. Firmino can't get to that. Still, we've got possession. We need to get Mane on the ball. He's class. Mane, Robertson. Mane. Thiago. Ah. Kabak been on an absolute fire today. We're bringing on the main man, the goal scorer. And we're going to take Wijnaldum off. We want to save his energy for the next game. Actually, we're going to bring on two people. We're going to bring on Diaby because he's an absolute machine. And we're going to bring on Jota because he's another machine. So we are bringing on absolute units here, lads. We are bringing on units. What? On what planet? I didn't even do anything there. It just automatically does it. Right, come on, boys. We got to bring on the fire. We've got the firepower. Let's just. Oh my God, Diaby, come on. Right, come on. We are not losing this. Oh my Nora. Come on, counter. Don't even think about it. Just counter. Come on. Diaby. Absolute pace machine. No! Where is the direction? Not just straight at him. Where is it? Whip it in. Come on. Henderson, on your head. No! Pressure, come on. Pressure, 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 pressure. Get on him. Nice. Come on. Wijnaldum. Or Diaby even. Has it through to Jota. Can Jota do it from this angle? Hell no, no one can. Worst shot I've ever seen in my life, but hey ho, it's still a corner. Right, Van Dijk's head's coming on this. Oh! Oh, lads. No, it can't come out this way. It just can't. That was not the best pass. Come back. Out to Robertson. I beg that's not too far. It's not. Henderson. Jota. Oh. How are we meant to do anything there? There's about 1 billion defenders in the box. Trent, get back. Oh my God. That should be a goal kick, come on. Oh, it wasn't the best pass, but still, it's on to Jota. Can Jota finish? Why is Sanchez that fast this late on in the game? Throwing. Oh, I thought that would have been an absolute dream goal, but it's over. It's over. And I'm devastated. Well, that is one sad episode. But you can't do anything about it. It happens now and again. But it should have been a win, man. It should have been a win. It's disappointing. But hopefully we can do better in the Champions League next episode. I'll see you a lot later. Bye bye.